Hi guys, welcome to Fiverr Review YouTube channel. My name is AK. In this video, I will review with viral marketing 7 secret to promote any product. So watch this video completely, guys. So don't skip this video, guys. If you are watching on first time on my channel, click this like button and hit the subscribe also, guys. Let's get started. Learn the 7 key secrets to being able to sell any product or service online with this in-depth course taught in the world renowned expert, guys. This course costs, guys, at $61. This course is covered 10 videos plus 1.3 hours video length and 599 reviews of the students is provided for the first year 4.9, guys. One of the best and amazing course, guys. Now we'll see, guys, this course is provided for 30-day money back guarantees, unlimited stuff anywhere anytime, and learn with a handwritten instructor of expert in the field. If you want to watch this presentation of video, guys, I will give the link in the description below, guys. You will check it out and watch this video presentation. Now this course is covered for this lesson, guys. Chapter 1, the introduction, and chapter 2 this final quiz, and chapter 1 is covered for this course, guys. Is secret of sell the problem, not the solution. Think like a magazine, not a salesman. Secret to think like a magazine, not a salesman. Secret 3, content is king but consistency is a queen. Secret 3, content is king but consistency is a queen. And secret 4, punch above your weight class, ethically steal your competitor. And secret build an audience of borrowing. And secret 6, build an audience of borrowing. Be a shadow, not a ghost. Tips to be a beast. 5-star freelancer. Closing your thought. And final course. Now we'll see, guys. This course you will learn the position of product of service strong strategically to create a market demand and create a vital content of generate interesting leaves with lasting impressions and earn a genuine trust and connect authentically with your target audience and grow a huge customer base with while letting your competition do all work for you. So consistency, share content to build a powerful habit loop with your followers, and ensuring this product sells if you're not pure lack, if you're something in line prone tactics. This tool is templates to make sure that your ad campaign stand the best chance of success, and put on the end of the guessing games to learn what it takes to go viral and build a strong customer base in this best selling course, guys. You will learn everything from positioning demand, the content creation strategy, to audience and competitor research, and how to use these skills to make money as a professional freelancer. So this course we will learn, guys, lead with the need of creating demand and how to develop strong customer relationship, and how to consistently post new one, how to complete a reference market, and how to analyze the improve your competitor, how to shadow your customer rearrange, and how to apply your skill to professional freelancer. And this course creator of vendor Mr. John Yosiki, because this vendor is provided, guys, one of the and marketing manager of YouTube, is a ranking of one of the world's top market of the Forbes on entrepreneur of Int magazine. And John is also writing in the Time magazine and impacting millions of thousand public speaking in the best-selling course, guys. This course really worthwhile, guys. Don't miss it, guys. Plus you will see the, guys, for 599 reviews of positive reviews. So best, guys. You will see, guys. You will click on the load more. I will see, guys, lot of reviews. And that's it, guys, today for this video. I hope each and every step I will explain in this video, guys. If you need this course, I will give the link in the description below, guys. Plus 25% additional discounts of this course, guys. And thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.